Okay, it is day 4 of the masterclass in bread baking, and today we're making rusk. Wow, that it's really activated. Okay, and then what's going on over here?
We're
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk with butter.
With butter. Okay, and now we get the fun part. This is where it's important to have clean hands.
I think you washed them last week.
Well, one of the points of the Scout law is the Scout is clean, so.
At least once a month.
At least once a month. Okay, so how long have you been working this dough?
7 hours.
No, it's not 7 hours. But pretty long, hey? Like half an hour, maybe?
At least.
Yeah.
4.2. So
That's 4.
that's
Wow.
8.
That's 4.12.
8.14.
8.14?
Sounds close.
So almost 9 pounds. Okay, we weren't kidding. We needed a bigger bowl. There we go. Still curious how much that's going to rise. We're going to prove for an hour and a half and see what the heat brings. All right. We definitely needed a bigger bowl. Okay. So you're taking that big ball of dough into these smaller pans. All right, these are Rusk. Luke. Good job. Going all Paul Hollywood there. Okay, we have been keeping these warm in the oven overnight, and look at that, an army of Rusk. Come here, soldier. You've been recruited. Drafted. This is your captain, Captain Coffee.